Hi guys, it's Master Coach Tony Morgan, and today's video is a follow-up from the previous video on this main Combi 25 Eco, and asked a question about what the fault is on this boiler, why you're not getting hot water. So if you guys have got it right, I'm going to see if you have got it right, so I'll show what the problem is on this boiler. So this is what the answer is. Well, it could be a possible answer. It could be the PCB, or it could be this, the hot water sensor. And the answer is the hot water sensor. So that's what's not making the boiler fire up when the hot water is called for. So if you want to find out more about boiler repair, just click on the link below and you can find out more about what we do. We've got a special Facebook group which we've started, and you can find more about that. So that's going to be it from me on this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.